Welcome everyone to another brand new video. This is iPhone 13 and today in this video I like to share you guys iPhone 13 tips and tricks in 2022. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, yesterday video. Number 1. Drag and drop picture. First open Safari, then search something like that iPhone wallpaper. If you want to save your phone gallery or send anyone, what you can do, just click and hold down the image. Then select other wallpaper. Next, swipe up to home screen. Then open any messenger application and drop this image and send button. Number 2. Turn photos to videos. On the iPhone 13 user iOS 15 is you can turn some of your picture into the video. At first open the photo application, then click on the album and select live photo. Next select any photo and click on the share button, then you will see the option that save as a video. It will save this live photo as a 3-second video clip. Number 3. Photographic Style. At first open the camera application and just click on this icon. Here you can find 5 different categories and select your favorite one. Number 4. Cinematic mode. First open the camera application and select cinematic mode. Cinematic mode you can record 1080p video. Cinematic video basically provide you blurry image video quality. As you can see that you can edit the video after record. You can change the video focus, brightness, add effect and mute unmute the video. Number 5. Get more battery life. Go to the phone setting, then under battery you will see this option battery health and tap on that. You just have to turn on optimize battery charging. Number 6. Turn off iPhone right away. So at first tap on volume up, volume down and press on the power button. You will see the power up option. Number 7. Change Safari background image. At first open the Safari and click the edit option. Here you can find lot of background image. As you can see that you also add your photo gallery image on your Safari. Okay, this is all about iPhone 13 tips and tricks in 2022. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.